And quick little side note while I'm working here. I picked up this Milwaukee Mechanicals Carpenter pencil, and I've got to say, I'm impressed. It's meant to compete with the ever-popular Pica pencil, and honestly, it holds its own. It's built like a tank and can be tossed around in your toolbox without a second thought. It comes with a clip-on sheath that has a built-in sharpener, so you're not digging around the shop trying to find the one that disappeared 3 projects ago. You can use it with the sheath on, or pull it off to get that long, narrow tip, which is really handy for tight spots like screw holes, corners, anywhere a regular pencil just refuses to go. The combo pack comes with a 10-pack of replacement leads, which is probably the smarter move, especially if you're anything like me and tend to lose things. You can also get refills in graphite, red, or yellow, depending on what you're working on. And the lead is a thicker 2.8 mil, nice and soft, writes really smooth, almost like a ballpoint pen, which is not something I'd ever thought I'd say about a carpenter's pencil. And the best part, it doesn't break every time you look at it the wrong way. And just to be clear, this is not a paid promotion. So Milwaukee, if you're listening, I'm available. In all seriousness though, if I come across a product I genuinely like and it actually does what it's supposed to do, I'm happy to share it. Because let's face it, there's enough stuff out there that doesn't live up to the hype. So when something works well, makes the job easier, and holds up the way it should, well, I think it's worth talking about.